Jasminka Dzumhur, Erik Mose and Pablo de Greiff, members of the Independent International Investigation Commission in Ukraine. On September 23, 2022. Genoese. A press conference in the United Nations. Summary says Russia uses widespread and systematic torture among the victims of sexual violence. Women between the ages of 1983. The investigation also found several cases of violations of Ukraine Geneva. September 25. Russian invaders tortured Ukrainians so cruelly that some of their victims and forced their families listen to the rape of women. Next side. Said in a statement on Monday. Ukrainian Investigation Commission President Erik Mose. UN Human Rights Council team in Geneva in control Russian armed forces in areas under control of. Use torture is common and systematic. He said. In some cases, torture was applied with savagery enough to cause the victim's death. He said. Russian troops raped women ranging from 19 to 83 years of age in the occupied regions of Kherson province, and gave jobs to sexual violence. He said. He was often held with the family and had to hear violations. Russia refuses to brutality or targeting civilians in Ukraine. In a later press briefing, when asked about the number of cases of torture that resulted in death, the Commission member Pablo de Greiff said it was impossible to know because limited access. But it was a very big number and, in August and September, Mose's commission visited the parts of Ukraine which was organized by Russian forces such as Kherson and Zaporizhzhia regions. The commission said that violations previously committed by the Russian forces in Ukraine, including the use of torture, may be criminal against humanity. The U.S. organ also said that he had found a few cases committed by the Ukrainian forces. KYIV said that he had previously checked all the information about the treatment of prisoners and will explore violations and take appropriate legal procedures. Since war began in March 2022, Commission has been compulsory by Council to investigate abuse in Ukraine and visited many times, and carried out hundreds of interviews. Using for Emma Farge edit by Peter Graff.